Hello everybody, this is Philippos from 3D Natives and welcome to another Voices Amplified. We are here in Chicago for Rapid+TCT 2023, where 168 conferences are taking place in the span of 3 days. In this episode, we'll get the chance to meet the speakers and learn more about their experience. Come join us. So we're here with
Duncan Wood, CEO, Rapid News Publications.
When you're thinking Rapid+TCT as an event overall, what's the one word that pops into your mind?
Energy, I think. The floor's been really good today, the conference program's been excellent, the main stage has had a lot of really good panels on it. But it's education, energy, getting more people to understand what the potential of additive manufacturing is.
And we are here with
Scott Cochran. I work with Lockheed Martin Space.
You're speaking at the event, you spoke today. How was that experience?
I was blown away with how many people are here, how much interest there was. We ran out of time for questions. Everybody came ready to go.
Mariah, you are speaking at an SME event. How does that feel?
Awesome. It's really exciting to be here.
Imagine there's someone who's working in 3D printing, who's watching this video right now, but have never been to an SME event. What's your advice to them?
I say get involved, getting references and asking people questions. Be curious.
And we are here with...
I'm Brennon White from General Motors.
And Brennon, you just spoke at the SMEs event, is that right?
I did, yeah. Actually, I had 2 sessions, and I was also the session chair, so that was very entertaining. Hopefully I won't lose my voice.
Courtney, thank you so very much. I understand you'll be speaking at the event later in the week. How do you feel?
Excited. It's going to be fun.
What do you think the role of SME is within it?
I think to continue this collaboration really amongst customers and OEMs to really help take additive manufacturing to the next level.
What's the one word that comes to mind about this event?
Probably thrilling.
It's awesome. It's nerd heaven.
When you're thinking of Rapid+TCT, what's one word you think about this event?
Expansive.
I was expansive, not expensive. Huh?
The biggest thing is knowledge transfer. Having these types of events to show companies the art of the possible and be a resource for those folks.
Rapid+TCT 2033, how do you imagine that event being?
Even bigger, probably. And I think just the amount of awesome personalized additive parts will be just amazing.
Well, selfishly, I definitely want to see a ton more medical additive manufacturing. I think we're also going to see some 3D printing technology that we can't even fathom right now.
Well, I think it's going to keep growing. It'll probably be, the size of maybe an IMTS. I think the corporations that we're going to have here are going to be a lot more in the entire value stream of not just printing, but what it takes to get a final part.
Having seen the event so far, do you think you'll be coming again?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to come back again. That'd be awesome. It's so cool.
Coming to this event as a speaker, what's one thing you were looking forward to?
Networking around the floor here and just meeting lots of people and making connections for future collaborations.
For any viewer out there who's in the world of additive manufacturing but has never visited the Rapid+TCT event, what's one piece of advice you would give them?
Wear really good shoes. Plan your day very, very well because there's tons of presentations. There's so many exciting products to see, so plan your day well.